For this one, the material is paper pulp.
Oh, the
yeah.
pulp paper.
Yeah.
This is also the environmental material. This
yes.
kind of, yeah.
It's a very environmental protection.
Besides this, we have a big collection. The shadow box using this kind of material, pulp paper material.
Yes.
Yeah, different design, different size.
Yes.
So, checking with us if you are interested in this collection.
Yes, we can ship many pictures. Many other designs. Like this one is flowers, and we can do the animals, the different marine animals. Yes, the plants. Yes.
Yeah. The background I can see it is in a brown linen.
Yes.
So the whole feeling of this item is like a very nature.
And very clean.
Yeah, simple nature and elegant looking.
Yes.
Yes, this one flower.
So the frame is watercolor frame, watercolor PS frame.
This is wooden color. This one.
Yes.
Okay, so besides just now we reviewed the item. I saw there are different kind of the frame, right? If customer would like to change, can we do? Yes,
of course. We have many other frames for our customer to choose from. For example, we have like the watercolor and
so this is the same as this one.
Yes.
The wooden color one.
And the brown color.
Oh, the brown one. The brown one.
Yes, and the silver one.
Yes, silver is also a very matching, very popular design.
Yes, and the golden one.
The golden.
Yes. And the dark brown, we already see it.